what we want to jump into next, I want to give you a good sound comparison of what it sounds like here with the unresonated, and then we'll do the resonated, and then you're pretty much all done. All right, guys, so let's walk through the catch-up here really quickly. So like I said, we hung the mid pipe up at the top. You come down and you hang your AB pipes. And let's talk about that really quickly. You take this clamp, you slide it onto the back box side so you can bring your AB pipe up, and then you just move it over to hang onto the pipe on both sides. So you slide them up. Then you slide this on to the mid pipe, and then you can spread the ball clamp out and get it around this ball joint, and then you can put your bolts back into place and get them tightened down. Now, remember, since we're actually going to do a comparison in this case, I'm actually going to swap this mid pipe out. This is the non-resonated, and I'm going to swap it out with the resonated off camera. Now, this kit comes with a new crossbody brace that cuts down and gives you a little bit of extra space here and clearance with your new pipes, which is really nice because fitment sometimes can be a bit of a hassle. So it's really nice to have that little bit of extra space so you install the new one. Just note, in this case, I'm not going to install it because I'm going to swap this out in just a second so you can get the sound comparison. But we'd have that back in place. But as we walk up, our lower clamps are good, our back box is on, our ball clamps are tight, which is great. We come back up here to the upper hanger, those E10s are in place, and then our nuts are tightened down here as well. And again, a quick reminder, you're very likely going to need new gaskets and maybe new nuts. Check the video description for those part numbers and you're good to go. So at this point, the car is able to be run. So what we want to jump into next, I want to give you a good sound comparison of what it sounds like here with the unresonated, and then we'll do the resonated, and then you're pretty much all done.